for you guys. Up and in. Awesome. Yeah. Thanks, guys. Okay. Now, as hard as this was, it's actually still not even the hardest part of the trick. It's true. Check it out. Watch closely. Watch the white ball.